Hey there. I'm doing this video today to ask the community for ideas going forward. I'm not stuck. I just want to change pace and go a little bit different way to help, to be more helpful. Uh, you guys know what you need, and I'm just throwing things out there to see what sticks right now. But anybody that watches this channel, you know what you need help with, and I want to help with those things. So Mastercam's changing faster now than I've seen in my past 30 years in machining. So any topics you need help with, I'm willing to do my best to help. This channel will be 4 years old in September. I've got 362 subscribers as of today. Today is May 16th, 2026. Doesn't seem like much, but compared to other YouTube channels, but I'm pleased, and I think it's doing pretty well. Like I said, the best way I think moving forward is to cater to those who watch and help with their questions the best I can. So comment below this video, anywhere on the home page of the channel or whatever. Just comment questions about what you need help with. Let me know what are some parts you'd like to see programmed, tooling questions, setups, fixtures. Doesn't necessarily have to be Mastercam related, just related to machining. Comment below, or there's plenty of ways to get in touch with me through this channel. Also be sure and like and subscribe. That helps grow the channel. Share this video, so this word gets out there and everybody can see, what the plan is going forward. This will help create a community where we can all learn and grow together with Mastercam. So thanks to everybody that has liked and subscribed in the past 4 years and helped grow the channel to the point it is today.